Hey, so as all of you are aware, we do have a new boat this year, the Novatec 55, and it's a 2004. And as most of you have asked me, you know, how much do things cost on the boat? Why are you having to fix things on the boat? Well, the boat is, pretty old. And we knew when we bought the boat that we would have some repairs that we would have to do. There were things that we knew were broken, and of course there were things that broke along the way that need fixing. And so boaters generally tend to reference things for repairs, replacements, in what's called boat units. Well, what is a boat unit, you ask? Well, boat stands for break out another 1,000. So that, in essence, is a boat unit. So when Tad and I talk about how much something costs, we'll be like, how many boat units is it? Is it 1 boat unit, 2 boat units, 3 or 4 boat units? So it can be a lot of boat units. Obviously, we try to fix things ourselves if we can. Otherwise, you have to hire somebody out to fix whatever's broken, and usually labor is somewhere around $100 to $150 an hour. So yeah, it gets up there pretty high. So we do have a number of things on the boat that need to be fixed this year, and we will be having the boat out up on the hard to get these things fixed. So boating season ends for us this year, and maybe October, November, December, if we have some warm days, we may still go out boating. But January, February, March, not happening. This Florida girl does not do cold weather. So anyway, I thought I would share with you some of the things on the boat that we need fixing, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of them, and we'll go from there. So hope you enjoy. Ciao. Our ice maker in the salon was working beautifully, and then all of a sudden developed a slow dripping leak. So earlier today we were trying to fix the leaking
God, it's leaking again.
the leaking ice maker, and Tad went and got a new washer for it and put it back, and it oh, Tad wasn't hurt too bad during that repair. Both windows in the galley and right across from it have a leak. The one in the galley is a little bit worse. It only leaks when there's a hard driving rain. Same on the other side. We can't seem to figure out where the leak is coming from, but I do have to leave towels and a sponge down because if it rains really hard, then a puddle will form in that corner there. On the opposite side, the leak isn't as bad. It's more of a drip that I've noticed. But the same situation, it has to be a hard driving rain. We've tried running a hose really hard on the windows and couldn't find any leak whatsoever. So we're really not sure what's going on with that. We're going to see if these 2 windows can get fixed while the boat's out up on the hard. We also plan on getting the bottom sanded and painted. I don't even want to think about how many boat units this will be. Stay tuned for more Cruising with the Wild Herons. Ciao.